Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to merge two columns into one in Google Sheets. So first, as you can see, I have first name column and the last name column. I want to merge it into full name column, so let's see how to do this. Go over here and type in equals and then concatenate. So concatenate, choose concatenate and then open the brackets and type in the string 1, so it will be this, then comma, quotation marks, and leave a space in between, then comma, and select the second string. Now press enter or close the bracket and press enter then. Now as you can see, this combined your name with the space, and you can drag it down to fill it the formula to entire table.